Hello everyone! I'm very proud to tell you a beautiful story. Let me introduce to you some special friends. Maybe you already know them.
Hi! Ciao!
Donna, Gian,
Rosella, you're ready?
Rosella and Domenico. Domenico.
Here. He doesn't want to come out. We got here. We need to push him outside.
7 weeks ago with hopes of seeing this beautiful blessing. And he is just so stubborn that he doesn't want to come. I think he likes mommy, but I told mommy she better be prepared for a big baby.
He already knows the pleasure of life. He doesn't want to come out.
So we know Rosella and Jonka since probably 2020, and we followed them on Facebook during our most horrible time, COVID-19. And they brought us joy every day that we watched them. And we have now become family, and we love them. And we're here, and we're coming back again. And we hope that we get to see little Domenico maybe next time when he's about a year old. So what do you have to say?
John, would you like to say something? John is my chess teacher.
He's a master.
He's a chess master.
We're just finishing up our 7th week, and we've learned so much history. We've enjoyed the food so much, and this beautiful family. We've met other members of the family now, so we have quite a few acquaintances here in Palermo, and we're looking forward to coming back again next year.
And we look forward to meeting you again.
Oh, we can't wait. We will keep watching and stay very close to our beautiful family here in Palermo.
This is the power of the Sicily Lover community.
Absolutely.
And let me say something. If you need any advices, any suggestions, you know, we are a tour company here in Sicily, but we are nothing compared to Don and John. They are the true expert ones.
We have learned a lot about Palermo, that's for sure.
Ask Donna any suggestions to
Places
explore.
To see, places to eat.
She's the best.
We are now part of the Palermo people here.
Yes, they are locals. They are locals for sure.
We found all the best restaurants
We think.
and the grocery stores.
Grocery stores, very important. But
Guys, thank you for watching. This is the four corners behind us, and we are in the middle of the four corners.
right. So love
Hugs and kisses from Sicily.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Ciao, dear Sicily lovers.
Ciao.
Ciao.